What's going on, Clay? Welcome, guys. Welcome. Yeah. 10 more, Mikey. Let's pull some fire. So after the 10 tonight, Mikey, we got 5 tomorrow, 5 Tuesday, 5 Wednesday, 5 Thursday, 10 Friday, 10 Sunday, 5 next Monday, and that'll be it. I'll probably send out some of your cards, Clay and Mikey, tomorrow, just because I think one of the bubble mailers is pretty much full, so I can send that one out. Yeah. All right, guys, we got a 10 mega box break, 100 chrome cards. I've been doing a lot of Bowman breaks. I did a 5 the other night, and we pulled 3 autos out of the 5. So hopefully we can, with that rate, we can at least hit 5 autos tonight, hopefully. Get some number card for you guys as well. I am going to get started here. I know people join a little bit late, but I'm going to get started because I had a hell of a weekend, so I'm tired. Nice. Good for you, man. Got to get me hooked up to one of these fights. All right, here we go. Good luck, everybody. I will put the review of this up right away, right after the break is done, or the replay. I'll do a review at the end. If you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to message me either on here or on eBay, and I will answer pretty quick. Good luck, everybody. Let's pull some fire. All right, here we go. Starting the night off with a Joey Bart rookie card. Nate Pearson, Xander Bogaerts, Goldie, Josh Bell. The 2 chrome are India and Mackenzie Gore, Shane Baz, Langlers, and Air first. Paper 1, Jose Tena. Joey Gallo, Vlad, Robert, Freeman, Houck. There's a Heston Kjerstad. Not bad. Xavier Edwards, Austin Wells, Heliot Ramos, Daniel Lynch. Pack 3. There's a Trout, Castillo, Bellinger, Donaldson, Nola, Patrick Bailey. There's our first chrome first, Nick Matten. Matt Manning, Hunter Green, and a Michael Toglia. Santander, Bobby Dahlbeck rookie card, Pache rookie card, Kyber Ruiz, Patino, Bryce Terang, there's our second, another chrome first, not bad. Ismail Mania. Ronnie Mauricio, there's a Bobby Witt paper. And a Jeremy De La Rosa. I'll get a lot of first. A lot of first. First Bobby Witt. All right, good luck with the chrome packs. Obviously, this is where the fun stuff is. We'll begin some fire for you guys. Nick York, Red Sox. Matt Manning. There's a Heston Kjerstad. Baltimore. Montero. And a Tristan Cassis. Yeah, hopefully we get a big card tonight. All right, pack 2. We're going to Ivan Johnson, Bowman first. Mojo. Severino first, Mojo. Spencer Torkelson, Futurist. India. And a J.J. Bleday. No auto or numbered card in that one, unfortunately, but 9 to go. 9 to go. Did get a lot of first in that box. Marlin guy, all right. All right, pack 2 or box 2. Castillo, Bellinger, Donaldson, Nola, Gallo, Nova, Carson Tucker, Liberatore, Jake Vogel, Bryce Jarvis. Yeah, Blade. Bobby Dahlbeck, Pat J, Kybert Ruiz, Patino, Miller Trout, Blake Walston, Yusniel Diaz, Reyes, Robinson, Xavier Edwards. So I have a pile of all the paper first for the review, and then a pile of all the Chrome and Mojo, and then any other hits we get. Murphy, Lewis, Scherzer, Chris Bryant, Santander, Perdomo. There's like Kevin Alcantara, Yankees. Kvaco, Marsh, Corbin Carroll. Austin Meadows, Bubich, Tyler Stevenson, Tejeda, Joey Bart, Clayton Beater, Freddie Zamora, O'Neiler, Brennan Davis, Age Lacey. Mikey, you collect Freddie Zamora's, right, too? Brewers? I remember you telling me that. All right, 2 Chrome packs. Here we go. Reed Detmers. There is a Riley Green upside down for some reason. Ooh, got a numbered Spencer Torkelson. Very nice. Tigers. Clay, you got Tigers, right? 13 of 199. Futurist, Torkelson. Nice hit. Christian Robinson, Grayson Rodriguez. Nice. Nice hit. Clay. Next Chrome pack. There we go. Sabado Mojo. Logan Gilbert. Ian Anderson. Rookie of the Year favorites. George Kirby. Nick Lodolo. No autos. 2 boxes in. At least we got a numbered card, and it's a good one. Torkelson. Solace first Chrome. All right. We'll see what we can get. Chris Bryant, Santander, Dahlbeck, Pache, Kybert Ruiz, Jordan Westberg, K. Cavalli, Nick York, Diaz, Stott. Nola, Gallo, Vlad, Robert, Freeman, Zach Veen, Alex Manoah, Espino, Diaz, Montero. Arenado, Soto, Judge, Yastrzemski, Bichette, Ryan Vlad, Nick Allen, Austin Hendrick, James Beard, Vavra, Tanner Houck, Sam Huff, Varsho, Singer, Alec Bohm, Asia Lacey, Luis Garcia, Garrett Mitchell, Choi, Blaze Jordan Paper. Need to hit some Austin Martins tonight. 2 chrome packs. Lacey. Xavier Edwards. Joey Bart, Rookie of the Year favorites. Jake Vogel first. And a Mick Abel first. Let's see some color. Christopher Morel first. There's your Salas. Mojo first. There you go. Bobby Witt Futurist. CJ Abrams. Jose Tena. Decent. No autos yet, but we're hitting some good ones. Oh yeah, he is a futurist. I think he has an auto futurist, I think. Box 4. See some color, some autos here. Pick it up. Cody Bellinger, Donaldson, Nola, Gallo, Vlad, Mauricio, Trent DeVoe, Matt Manning, Hunter Green, Daniel Lynch. Kybert Ruiz, Patino, Trout, getting a lot of Trouts. Castillo Bellinger, Jared Kelly, Bowman Chrome first. Casey Martin, CJ Chatham, Blazovic, and a Cabrera. Scherzer, Chris Bryant, Santander, Bobby Dalbec, Pache, Nick Bitsko. There's a Franco, Chrome, Crow Armstrong, Tyler Freeman, Royce Lewis. Cunha, Yele, Bieber, Murphy, Lewis, Alec Thomas, Nick Allen, Vittori, Jake Fogle, Alexander Ramirez. 2 paper first there. All right. Come on, Otto. Where are you at? Nope. Daniel Lynch. Nick Matten. First. There's another Bobby Witt for you. Futurist. Asia Lacey. Xavier Edwards. You were just racking up the Bobby Witts, Mikey. Holy shit. Like, getting a ton of them. Last 3 breaks. There we go. Jason Dominguez. Mojo. Brendan Davis. Jazz Chisholm. Christopher Morel. Jose Salas again. Getting a lot of Mojo first. Not hitting the autos or the colors, though. They're there, hopefully. Machado, Garcia, Sixto, Jordan, DeGrom, CJ Chatham, Antonio Gomez first, Bo Naylor, Brennan Davis, Alexander Ramirez. Ian Anderson, Madrigal rookie card. Crochet. Altuve, Alonso, Tyler Freeman, K. Cavalli, Alvarez, Walker, Vlade. I agree. Blake Snell, you, Skubal, Schmidt, McKenzie, Jake Vogel first, Carson Tucker, Callahan, Josiah Gray, Nick Madden. All right, Charlie Blackmon, Brian Anderson, Bryce Harper, Yachty, Lindor, Espino, Yelbert Sanchez first, Cavaco, Marsh, CJ Abrams. We have a ton of Chrome and Mojo first. All right, 2 Chrome packs. Let's hit it. No, I don't think we got anything this one. Robert Hassel, Badolo, Bobby Dahlbeck, Rookie of the Year favorites. Eddie Diaz first. Antonio Gomez. 2 more Mojos. JJ's breaks. All right, we're halfway home after this pack. Oh. Christian Robinson, Grayson Rodriguez. There's a stud. I'm a big Brewers fan. Garrett Mitchell. He's batting like 400 in the minors. Kevin Alcantara first. Jared Kelly. We are just racking up the first, but we are not racking up autos. It's crazy. I had 3 autos in the 5-box break I did the other night. None in this first 5. All right. Second half. JD, Austin Hayes, Evan White, Tavares, Jazz, Garrett Mitchell, Cavaco, Reyes, Robinson. Yeah, hopefully. There's our first Maximo. Paper. Jimenez, Dylan Carlson rookie card, Miggy, Kepler, Gleiber, Lodolo, Groshans, Choi, Hendrick, Rosario. Trevor Bauer, Jorge Sanchez, Kirilloff, Garcia, Larnick, James Beard, Eddie Diaz first, Garrett Mitchell, Dylan Dingler. Nolan Arenado, Soto, Judge, Yastrzemski, Bichette, Jackson Rutledge, and a Choi first. There's our first Julio, Espino, Gorman. Come on, Chrome packs, let's go. Blazovic, Heliot Ramos, Nick Madrigal, Rookie of the Years, Langlers, and another Morel. It's like 3 or 4 Mojos of him already. Oh, we got color. I think we got something cool. Mick Abel. Here's a Bobby Witt Mojo for you. Cade Cavalli, Futurist, Corbin Carroll. And what do we got? Ian Anderson. Another one for Clay. Number 95 of 99. Rookie of the Year favorites, green. 95 of 99. Clay, you're hitting them tonight. Got the 2 numbered cards. Ian Anderson's going to be a stud, too. Kind of already is. He's got ace stuff. Give it a couple years. Patino, Trout, Castillo, Bellinger, Josh Donaldson, Gunnar Henderson, Seth Beer, best last name ever. Thompson, Hall, another Blaze, Jordan. Yeah, he already is a stud. I agree. Chris Bryant, Santander, Bobby Dahlbeck, Pache. Man, you're getting a lot of Paches. Ruiz, Nolan Jones, Crow Armstrong, Chatham, Belazovic, Montero. Shane Bieber, Yelly, Murphy, Lewis Scherzer, Shoemake, Libertor, Crow Armstrong, Freeman, Robert Hassel. Casey Mize, Garcia, Cronenworth, Campusano, Acuna, Austin Hendrick, Reyes, Libertor, Jake Vogel, Bryson Scott. Man, so I've done 20 boxes, and so after tonight it'll be 30 boxes already, and I've only hit 1 paper. Austin Martin, and that's it. Zach Veen. We do have a nice card, I think. JJ Bleday. Jonathan India. Ooh, Futurist. Dominguez. First time I've hit that. And Joe Adell. Pink parallel. 9 of 199. Where's that Ian Anderson? Severino. There's our Maximo. Mojo. Nate Pearson. Perdomo. Jeter Downs. Three to go. Come on. Autos. Yeah, hopefully. Tejeda, Bart, Pearson, Bogarts, Goldie, Andrew Vaughn, another Franco, Martin, Kelly, and Corbel. Carroll. Corbel. Corbin Carroll. Buster. Garrett Cole, Austin Meadows, Bubich, Tyler Stevenson, D.L. Hall, Nick Allen, Wander Paper, Bitsko, Feliciano. Rendon, Mountcastle, Javier, Marquez, Otani, Oswald Peraza, Severino first, Gilbert Sanchez first, Romo, Bryce Jarvis. Oh yeah, Wander's stud. Josh Bell, Betts, Bregman. Abreu. There's our first Tatis. You're not a believer, huh? Yeah, we'll see. Nick York, Casey Martin, Severino, Max Meyer, Xavier Edwards. Two chrome packs. Oh, we got blue. Daniel Lynch, Nick Matten, Julio Mojo, Nick Gonzalez. What do we got? Here we go. Let's go. Yelbert Sanchez, numbered. Sorry. 82 of 150. Nice hit. White Sox. True Blue. 82 of 150. I don't know why that's not his first. All the other cards of Yelbert Sanchez are first. Is that why True Blue means? I don't know. That's what I'm saying, Mikey. Hold on. I need to get some water, but I'll make it through it. All the other Yelbert Sanchez's are first, so I don't know why that one's not. Dominguez. Another Mojo. Brendan Davis. Another Chaz. Drew Waters. Bryson Scott. All right. At least we hit one auto. Two to go. Tanner Houck, Huff, Varsho, Singer, Alec Bohm, Beatty, Eddie Diaz, Peraza, Jordan Adams. Aaron Nola, Joey Gallo. Ed Howard, nope. Guerrero, Robert Freeman, JJ Bleday, another Julio, Chrome, Vaughn, York, and Vavra. I don't think I've pulled any Howards, no. Nope. I don't think I've even pulled a single Howard card. I pulled like 4 Christopher Morel Mojo first. That helps you at all. Brian Hayes rookie card. Spencer Howard. Marte. Joey Votto. Keston Hira. There's a Sabado, just Bowman first. Chrome. Mikey having a good break. Jose Salas first for you. Larnick, Lodolo, and Trent DeVoe. See, all you asked for was one Salas, and I've given you like 3 or 4. Howard, 1 of 1. I'll do a review. Clevenger, Chapman, Javi, Merrifield, Joe Adell rookie, Clayton Beater, Isaiah Green, Beatty, Rutledge. There's an Ed Howard. Paper. Woo! Top load that one, right? All right. Hunter Bishop. Jake Vogel first. Jimenez, Rookie of the Years. Jackson Rutledge, and a Brett Beatty. Austin Hendrick. CJ Abrams. Ooh, should be an auto. It's a first, too. No, it's not an auto. What do we got here? What's going on? Nothing? Weird. Detmers, Riley Green. Well, that was weird. Usually, third card's always something. They tricked us. Just the first. Weird. All right, last box. I was all excited. Usually if there's not color on the third card, it's an auto. Not the case, apparently. Third card's usually a hit. Is it? Better be. All right, here we go. Tanner Huff, Varsho, Singer, Baum, Mauricio, Josh Young, Pena, Kelenic, Tanya. Nola, Gallo, Vlad, Robert, Freeman, Woods Richardson, Jeremy De La Rosa first, Jeter Downs, Ivan Johnson, Riley Green. Yeah, he did. 0 for 39. I'm rooting for him. He's from Wisconsin. I'm from Wisconsin. But, yeah, he started on fire that first, couple games and then just absolutely all downhill after that. Brian Hayes, Spencer Howard, Marte, Votto, Hira. There's a Morel first, Montero, India, Miller, Toglia. Clevenger, Chapman, Javi, Merrifield, Joe Adell, Hancock, Stott, Bradley Rutschman, Buscu, and another De La Rosa. Fit quite a few times. Man, Austin Martin's unbelievable. Nice. Hopefully we got something again. Ivan Johnson first. Severino first. Jeter Downs. India. What do we got? Ooh, Austin Kendrick, not bad. Numbered 3 of 150. Yeah, he's a stud. Nice hit for the Reds. 2 blue autos. It's not a first either, but he's a stud. First round pick last year. Nice hit. All right, last pack. Soderstrom. There's an Ed Howard. Finally, last pack for you. Ed Howard Mojo. Alec Baum, Rookie of the Year. Luciano Perdomo. He struck out on Austin Martin again. Unbelievable. All right, review time. I'm going to have to do this quick. My batteries are running out. Paper. De La Rosa, Johnson, Tanya, DeVoe, Severino, Sanchez, Franco, Kelly, Vogel, Blaze Jordan, Julio, Diaz, Choi, Reyes, Acosta, Matten, Ramirez, Vogel, Ramirez, Bobby Witt, Choi, Blaze, Eddie Diaz, Reyes, Vogel, De La Rosa, Tanya. Yeah, probably. All right, Mojo hits. Severino, Johnson, Morel, De La Rosa, Tanya, Vogel, Salas, Sabado, Julio Rodriguez, Diaz, Jason Dominguez, Julio Rodriguez, Matten, Severino, Wander Franco, Acosta, Jason Dominguez, Futurist, Reyes, Bobby Witt, Corbin Carroll, Abel, Madrigal, Morel, Choi, Garrett Mitchell, Futurist, Alcantara, Jared Kelly, Dahlbeck, Eddie Diaz, Gomez, Sanchez, Vogel, Gomez, Dominguez, Morel, Salas, Matten, Bobby Witt, Futurist, Franco, Kelly, DeVoe, Morel, Salas, Bobby Witt, Tanya, Vogel, Abel, Sabato, Alcantara, Ivan Johnson, Severino, Spencer Torkelson, Hirstead, Mania, and Matten. And then the big hits of the night. We had a number 99, Ian Anderson. A Joe Adell, number to 199. Futurist, Spencer Torkelson to 199. And then the two autos, Yalbert Sanchez of 150 and Austin Hendrick of 150. All right, guys, if you guys have any questions, don't be afraid to hit me up. I'll get this shipped out tomorrow night. Thanks for joining, guys. I appreciate it, and I will be doing breaks all week. So join back in if you want. Have a good night, guys. Appreciate it.